No, I'm gonna be running duels with random children.
Bruh.
By that I mean I'm going to be running duels with randoms because I hate randoms. So let's get into the video! I hope I don't join the same lobby as Cooper or as everybody else.
Dude, I just beat you.
Wait, he does.
Three?
No,
you
let me. Wait,
watch out,
watch out.
Dude, my sweater's move.
What is this guy doing? Twos, anybody? Twos, please, twos, please. I'm running with wait, no. I'm running with randoms today. For a video.
TBS, I was just in your lobby.
Huh?
We were like, it's change the Rampager.
Holy guacamole! It's a yellow banana.
I don't know. Why did I scream like that?
Peanut butter.
I want to press this button. I'm pressing this. Yeah. I don't even know what I'm doing. Somebody like stop me before I turn.
Match starting. Round
Mom.
starting.
43, launched him in the air, 29 on both. And you got them.
Why you keep on making up, man? Okay, man.
I kinda need a... Yeah, die.
Round starting.
74. I'm dead. Why can I not? I cannot hit my shots. I'm doo-doo!
Round starting.
I got one and then I got the other like 40. Bro, I swear. Teammate. Thank you.
Man, bro.
Good job, man. Good job. Oh, his teammate left. That's so sad. No. The streak saved.
Round starting.
They consumed another one. Another innocent soul. They consumed another innocent soul. I hope his streak goes bye-bye. I hope he gets a 60 streak and
Round starting.
yeah. That was a pretty fire shot, if I could say so myself. If I do say so. I feel lonely. I'm lonely, man.
Round starting.
Nice. Yay! Alright, one more game. Bro, it's the same lobby! Alright, twos, anybody? Twos. Oh my, I'm getting clay. I'm gonna take that streak of yours. I'm gonna just... Okay.
I just beat an Apex.
I know, bro.
Two.
Apexes are not that hard to...
beat
Bro,
in
stop being
Apex.
toxic towards Apex! Okay. I need to stop myself before I actually go insane.
I know. Oh my god.
Twos, bro, come on.
It's fire.
Hold on.
Dude, from here. Yeah.
Come on!
God damn you! If you're a pussy if you don't come. You like boy.
Come on, bro, please! What is this guy doing? Come on, please, bro. I'll be on your team. Nah, this guy for real left. I'll 1v1 you. I'll 1v1 you. I'll 1v1.
That's
Get on the
what
other
I
side. You're
need.
red. I'm blue.
I don't need nobody.
I don't really care.
2 people literally joined the second.
No.
God, fuck!
It's okay. No cursey words. You shouldn't say. Oh, I'm dizzy now.
Round starting.
I'm breathing my hair.
I don't think I'm supposed to do that. That was pretty clean, man.
That was not.
What do you mean that wasn't clean?
Round starting.
What gun are you?
I'm using sniper, little bro. I messed up. No.
Holy mod, you're actually mod.
What?
Get reported, buddy. Get that.
I should probably
Round
stop.
starting.
He's getting mad. He got mad. He got mad. He got shaky with hands. Bro, I lost my left controller mid-game.
Holy God. I'm crazy like that.
Round starting.
Okay, whatever you say. 75. I messed up. I'm dead.
Holy fuck.
What?
I bet I have a life.
I killed you.
Oh my God.
Yo, don't crash out. It's okay. It's okay. Hush, little baby, don't you cry.
Round starting.
Please, bro.
Aw.
Please, mate.
Did you turn British?
Please, actually, no.
When did you turn British? Like, oi, mate. Or giving the
Round
wink, mate.
starting.
I have a life, man.
This guy's peeking. Stop peeking, man. That's not nice. I'm dead. You're peeking. You're peeking. Come on, though. Don't be toxic, man. That's not nice. Come on.
I'm not being toxic.
You're laughing at me. That's not nice. I'm gonna go cry in the corner. Come.
I'm so sad for you.
The only thing to console. I hope you guys had a good time. Bye.
Another day, another victory for the OG, taking down the sweats, the imposters among us.